We have now covered a lot of the basics of HTML. I would like you to now go ahead and get some practice on your own by adding some more products. Of course, the extra products will look exactly like this one we have here, without any of the CSS styling just yet. But the important thing is to get the content on the screen. If we go over to the finished version here, you can see 6 different products. This is what I would like you to go ahead and do. You can add even more if you want to. It doesn't have to be 6, but I have provided 6 images in total which you can use. We already have this first item of the game controller, so you can base the rest off this one and just change the image and also the text of the heading and also the description. Make sure each product also has a surrounding div too, just like the one we already have. You could of course copy and paste in this existing one we already have. So you could copy the full div section and paste in another 5 times. But if you are new to HTML, I would recommend you at least try to type out some to give you a little bit more practice. So I would suggest you pause the video on the finished version to see all the images and text. Don't worry about messing things up. I will be going over this in the next video.